Alright, OVERUNITY Builder here, February 29th, 2016. I made a test motor using some microwave parts. I used magnets from the magnetrons. I got 4 of them here. They're oriented north, south, north, south. Alright, whatever, you know. The opposite ends have the same polarity. And we have here the secondary coils from 2 different microwave transformers. So, controlled by 2 reed switches and magnets to activate them on the wheels here and here. And it's hooked up to a transformer, which I found is like 13.5 volts DC. Well, capable of 1 amp, it says. Well, coils are in parallel, a little over 70 ohms each, about 150 ohms total, but they are running in parallel. So the whole thing takes about 4 watts. So I'm running the switching is done with actually these relay switches that are operated from the reed switches. The reed switches run the relay switches. And so, let's show you how it works. Yeah, they're noisy. Well, that's pretty heavy rotor there. I'd say weighs maybe 2 pounds total. The magnets and the iron supports there. Not bad for running on 4 watts. Like I say, the whole thing draws about 1/3 of an amp. So 13.5 volts, 1/3 of an amp, about 4 watts. That includes the relays. So it's just a test motor to see what I could get out of using the coils out of the transformers, out of the microwaves, and the microwave oven magnetrons that have 2 magnets usually in them. So the combination, these are no cores in these in these transformer coils. So of course, I'm holding on to a little micro switch there. Self-starting. The coils are basically, they can take 2,000 volts. That's what they're carrying in the microwave ovens. But I'd say they could easily handle 250 without any trouble. So I'm going to be trying them at a higher voltage and see how this baby will scream then. 4 watts. This thing sure is puts out a lot of power. Torque. So I wonder what kind of torque this will do like at 200 watts. Of course, at like 250 volts, it's going to be 500 watts. So maybe around 110 volts, get a little over about 150 watts. Start it there. So, look what you can make with some basic parts from a microwave oven and a little extra work. But the magnets and the coils from microwave ovens, you make yourself a nice little motor. Now, the advantage using the relays is I can change this to higher voltage without having to build new circuits. Start using build circuitry for 12 volts, and you got to rebuild circuitry for higher volts. So this way I don't have to do all that. I just got to change some wires here. So I'll post another video when I change the voltage, and we'll see how that runs then. So I guess that's about enough. Go over to OVERUNITYbuilder.com. Enjoy. Bye-bye.